Hello everyone, I'm Sashipriya, trainer and product specialist here in Waxis. So today I'm here to help you with few important tips to ace your speaking test in IELTS. So let's get started. So the first step I'm going to help you with here is don't be nervous. So I believe you're all familiar to this particular tip that we shouldn't be nervous anytime that we are giving the speaking test. And here, the nervousness will be mostly due to the surprising questions that you get from the examiner. So don't be nervous and instead try to practice speaking with some native English related topics and some real time situations so that you get familiar with the experiences. All right, so here you are not judged based on your knowledge, rather, you are judged based on the skills or especially the speaking skill that you have with respect to this language. So you don't have to show off your expertise or you don't have to show off your knowledge on any given topic. So try to avoid using the difficult words if you're not sure about its meaning and the contextual use of it. Always try to use simple English as long as you are considered to be an intelligible speaker by the examiner. And try to avoid giving one word answers and also the short answers. So please extend your answers by giving a valid reasoning, just like sharing your opinion. You need to give the reason why you have that opinion on the topic, or maybe you can combine some details related to it, or maybe you can contradict with your answer when you say yes or no. So try to extend your answers and just not give one word or one line answers here. Do not speak more than required. In fact, examiner will not allow you to give the whole story, but then you need to speak whatever it is required for that particular task, be it one, two, or three. And once we start speaking more than required, there are chances that we go off the topic and we will have to lose the mark for deviating from the topic and giving irrelevant answers. So try to speak as much as required and speak relevant to the topic. So, yeah, thank you. Wish you good luck. Bye bye.